Hello, and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. Today we're going to talk about a major Bitcoin pump that just happened right now, but we actually do have pretty good evidence that it was manipulated, and there is some heavy manipulation going on at Binance. And I'll show you my Twitter account and the evidence I have for that. There was a massive string of buying up on Binance, and Binance went up to almost $11,000 on Bitcoin at its highest. You can see there's a bunch of buys at 10 all of a sudden at 1092, 10,000, 10,800, and all the way to 1099. There were no sell orders. There were no sell orders. There were no buy orders backing up this buy. So when they actually sold back down and immediately sold back down to 4,600 and 4,400. Oh, by the way, this is easy evidence of like Shane Ellis theory would absolutely fail if you try to do this, because as fast as they bought it up to 11,000, it sold right back down to 4,400 and 4,600 and might continue to bleed out. So this was an attempt to basically buy up the order book or empty the order book at Binance for Bitcoin, and I don't know if it worked that well, honestly. You can see like big jumps in the order book at Binance, because Binance only allows you to put so much above, and they try to buy out the order book at Binance. But if I actually go back to Binance right now, I actually think if you look at Bitcoin BTC on USD ratio, I think it's actually kind of, yeah, I actually think if you look at the order book, it's balanced out now at about 4,600. So someone tried to buy Bitcoin up all the way to 10,000. It crashed immediately at 4,600. That is basically proof right there of Shane Ellis theory not working and why it wouldn't work in the real world. But I don't know if they'll try this again. So if you really want to try to cash in on it, set a sell of Bitcoin on Binance at around $8,000 and see if anyone takes the bait, because you could actually make a lot of money that way, because it'll probably pump up to, if they try to do this again, it'll probably pump up to like, 8,000-9,000 again, then sell back down to maybe like 4,900 or so. So you can make a lot of money that way. So you can try it. There's actually no hurt in trying that. As long as you remember to like take back your buy order if the market starts slowly going up to around that 8,000 mark. Suddenly going from 4,600 to 8,000, it's always going to retrace if it does something like this, like it did just now. So if you have Bitcoin on Binance, set a sell order of like $8,000 on it. Otherwise, what I would tell you to do is actually buy in for some altcoins right now, because altcoins, especially Ethereum and XRP, are on discount right now for buying with BTC. You can see that it's below 7,000 Satoshi right now, and it was at 7,500 just a few hours ago. So this is like a big discount for both Ethereum and XRP, because they have not gone up nearly as much as Bitcoin has. So they're on discount. You can buy them in right now, and then if you want to sell them maybe a few days later, I think they'll be at a higher Satoshi value than Bitcoin. The other altcoins are okay too, but of the top 10, 20, Ethereum and XRP are the two you really want to buy right now, because they're heavily underpriced compared to Bitcoin, and they've gone up the least out of any of the top 20 coins. A Dash as well, but I'm not really that sure about Dash. There's obviously, and Bitcoin SV, but I just don't really touch Bitcoin SV. But Ethereum and XRP, I think, are pretty hot buys right now because of their lower ratio to Bitcoin, and you can make some like maybe quick 8% profit if Bitcoin suddenly retraces, and they don't retrace quite as fast. So I think those two are actually pretty good buys right now, because you can get them for a discount on Satoshi, or you can just set your Bitcoin at an 9,000 buy mark, and if it hits that again, you just made some good money. Hopefully you're up to see this happen, but if you aren't, you'll see this tomorrow morning, and you might cry that you didn't set a sell point at $9,000 for Bitcoin. And like I said, this is clear evidence of Shane Ellis theory completely just failing, and this is basically proof that when you try to buy up the order book, it doesn't work on a large cap coin like Bitcoin or XRP. So that is the report for today. Hope you enjoyed it. I might do a stream later tonight, maybe at like 2:30 when I get back from running, just to talk about this. But exciting times. But I do actually believe this is a coordinated pump and attempt at something really stupid that actually failed. So that is the report for today. Check out my Twitter. It's in my description. And also like and subscribe, and also retweet this message or share it on social media if you like my content. Thank you, and have a nice day.